I'm James Wedgeworth, Charter One Realty. This is WHHI Real Estate Insights. People ask me daily, what's going on in the real estate market? To summarize the market, I would say that we're not out of the woods yet. We're better off than we were 2 years ago. I recently had someone explain to me their opinion of what was going on nationally, because I've had clients say, wow, the market in Texas is great, the market in, Pittsburgh's strong, the market in Louisville's not as good. All real estate is local. I'll tell my sellers, you really don't care what's going on in Austin, Texas, or you really don't care what's going on in Cleveland, Ohio if you're trying to sell your property or buy property on Hilton Head. What we've seen is an increase in single-family home activity in Middle America. The resorts, with the exception of South Florida, have continued to be a lot weaker, meaning the beaches, the mountains, the ski resorts, the lakes, the rivers, those type second home markets. And that's because as we've been coming out of the recession, people have been working on getting their first home right, but they haven't really started concentrating on getting their second home right yet. As the market continues to improve, you will see the beach-oriented second home markets improve, and over time they will leapfrog the primary markets, which have been a lot stronger now. It's actually a great time to buy. It's not the best time in the world to sell yet. Thanks for listening to WHHI Real Estate Insights.